this video, I'm going to be leading you through how to draw dragon scales 4 different ways using a pencil and a blending tool. You need sketchbook page 16. The first technique is what I call hills, and you're simply going to be drawing at an angle little mounds that look like the shape of hills. And it's kind of similar to drawing brickwork, where you draw one hill and then you draw a hill next to it, and in the next row you start in a different section so that there is some overlapping. And then when it comes to the shading, you are going to shade the bottom of the hills, starting with a dark layer of value at the base of every hill, the bottom of every hill, adding a dark value. And once you're done adding that dark value, you'll go back over it, add a little bit more, and push that value up lightly. So the value goes from highest to lowest, darkest to lightest, from the base of the hill and up. The next technique is drawing diamonds, similar to the same way we drew our hills. And once we're done with the diamonds, we'll apply a heavy dark outline, and then we will, from the heavy dark outline, push the value down. So starting at the top of the diamond, it'll go darker, and then the value will get lighter towards the base of the diamond. So you're shading it in the opposite direction as the hills. This next technique is oval, and we're drawing ovals horizontally, and you'll just draw one oval after the other, and then in the next row you'll alternate the placement of the ovals. When you are done drawing about 4 rows of ovals, you will use an oval motion to do an outline darker, and then you'll ease up on the pressure to have a lighter value as you're ovaling around towards the center. The last technique I'm going to show you is basically diamonds, but in the inverse. So what this means is we're going to draw diamonds that are not connected. They just have little spaces in between, and the negative space is the space that's in between the diamonds. And that is what we're going to fill in. Instead of shading the actual diamonds itself, we're going to shade in the negative space in between the diamonds. And then when we're done shading that in with a dark value, we're going to smooth it out with a blending tool, or if you have a Q-tip or Kleenex, whatever you have handy, you'll blend that in.